Lesson number 1. English for the blind. The verb to be with subjects I, you. I am. You are. Are you? Positive. I am Nicole. Positive. You are students. Interrogative. Are you Italian? Say your name. Example. I am Nicole. The verb to be. I am. You are. Are you? I am Nicole. You are students. Are you Italian? I am Nicole. You are students. Are you Italian? Listen. Answer the question. Hello, my name is Nicole. What is your name? Good. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Hello, my name is Nicole. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Well done. Numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Lesson number 1. The verb to be. Subjects I, you. Numbers 0 to 10. Listen again and practice. Bye for now. See you next week.